Morrissey here, back again. Got a quick video on a little I'm gonna be soldering this wire back onto the Castle motor. Today I did a little run, and then after I was messing around, like, you know, doing wheel spins and whatnot, and it happens to like the motor got so hot it started to cut off. And then by the time I reach home, I realize it's like this, you understand? So I'm just doing a quick video to show you guys how I solder it back onto the motor. This is a Castle 1717 series. It's a 1650 kV Castle creation motor, censored. As you can see, the little sensor port there. Yeah, these are really good motors, you know. Yeah, I saw a lot of good runs, a lot of good, you know, feedbacks from them and whatnot. So I decided to get myself one. But I ain't gonna lie, one thing I realize about them, they get really hot. They get hot quick. Yeah, I don't know if maybe it's the setting I have in, or is it something with this motor itself. But yeah, well, just a heads up for you guys. Be careful with the gearing and those sorts of stuff, because those are my dogs barking in the back. Sorry for the little noise. Yeah, so basically, yeah, watch out guys, you guys who's running the 1717 series, the 1650 kV. Yeah, this happened to me today, and trust me, I only did like about, I would say, a couple runs with this motor so far, and this is what happened, you understand? So I think this is kind of like a little faulty, if I'm not mistaken. They didn't solder the wires onto the motor properly. So yeah, it's a quick video showing you how I put this back solder this back onto the motor. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna do it this way so you guys get a good angle of those, you know. Yeah, get a good angle. So I'm gonna put that in here. Alright, I'm gonna put a little wire onto it, a little more solder onto it, seeing that it jeez, and it's done already, guys. That's it was so easy, so quick. Yeah, I'm gonna plug out the soldering iron now. Look at that. I'm gonna give you a close-up just now. And Traxxas should hire me to solder their parts now. Yeah, because I don't know, you know, sometimes some things comes faulty, so ain't nothing you could do about that. But it is a good motor. Look at that. I'm gonna bring it up so you guys could see. Look at that quality of soldering, man. It looks like the original soldering, innit? Look at that. This is the one I just did, and these are the originals. I'm actually proud of myself. Wow. Alright guys, well, that was just a little quick video showing you guys how I soldered back on my motor wire onto the motor. And yeah, look at that, solid. I'm gonna chuck this back into the car now, And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. More see you again. Yeah, I ain't got much more to say.